Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying essential prerequisites so the work is effective. Check that the host machine has spare CPU cores and RAM, and that GPU access is enabled if needed. Once done, close background apps that steal memory and set power mode to high performance. This reduces stutters. Make sure to prioritize a stable network connection, wired is best, and launch the virtual desktop client as an administrator to apply settings cleanly. You now adjust the VM and client parameters to boost responsiveness. Switch to a fixed virtual disk and assign a predictable number of CPU cores and memory so the scheduler behaves. Once done, enable hardware acceleration or GPU pass-through and update drivers inside the guest, because software rendering is slow. Make sure to lower display resolution and cap frame rate when bandwidth or GPU is limited, and disable unnecessary visual effects in the guest to reclaim CPU cycles. You finish by validating and monitoring the setup. Enable CoS for the virtual desktop stream so packets get priority, and run a short stress test while watching host and guest resource meters. Once done, note any CPU, RAM, disk, or network spikes so you can iterate. If issues persist, make sure to reboot the host, try a different client or protocol, and gather logs. This gives you concrete data to fix misconfiguration or to provide to support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.